that sound. These bikes never fail to put a smile on my face, man. Good morning everyone and welcome to Scepter Pilot. Today on my channel we have a very special guest. It's a very unique motorcycle. It's a Yamaha FZ6. This bike actually belongs to a friend of mine. His name is Bharat. He's currently out of the country and the bike is with me for some tender loving care. Today is a lovely Sunday morning and I thought, what better way to spend a Sunday than with this beautiful machine. I'm currently taking it for a wash. It's pretty dirty because it's been parked in my basement and it's quite dirty and dusty where I stay because of a lot of construction activity. So I thought before I take it for a spin, a longish spin, I will have it washed and then take it for a spin.
How it's supposed to feel.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
How's it supposed to feel?
How's it supposed to feel?
This very motorcycle is not completely in its stock avatar. It's running an Acropovic exhaust and it isn't too loud because he has the baffle, or what we fondly call the DB killer, in place, so that makes the bike supremely quiet. The front windshield's been given the GV treatment. The stock windshield has been replaced with a taller GV windshield. It's got the GV engine cards as well. All in all, it's a lovely motorcycle. It's unlike any motorcycle that I've ridden before. This bike has also been given a little bit of paint protection treatment. It's been, the painted parts like the engine have been ceramic coated, and the body, when it comes to the tank and the fairing, have all been protected by some paint protection film. In fact, I'm taking it to the same place where Bharat got the bike ceramic coated and PPF'd. that sound. These bikes never fail to put a smile on my face, man. I don't know if the microphone inside my helmet is able to pick up the symphony of the exhaust, but it's just something, guys. It's just something. A huge shout out to Bharat Gadiyar. Actually, I'm going to post a link to his Instagram and maybe some pictures of him with this motorcycle as well, so you know who this baby belongs to. But again, huge shout out to Bharat Gadiyar for entrusting me with his mighty steed and kind of trusting me to make sure that his bike's in good condition, running and clean. Bharat's one of those guys who always keeps his motorcycles clean, and I sometimes feel a little guilty when I walk through my basement and see this motorcycle eating dust. Oops. But yeah, I do my best to keep it as clean as he does. Very rare motorcycle, guys. Very rare motorcycle. I don't think, apart from this FZ6, I don't think I have seen any other FZ6 in Bangalore before, or anywhere in India before. I remember seeing them in Europe, but don't remember seeing them here. Looks like the shower is empty, so the bike can actually go in for its wash. Alright guys, I'll see you on the other side of the wash. Okay guys, so the bike is washed and squeaky clean right now. Need to get some fuel and then we'll see where to take it for a ride. Nothing like a squeaky clean motorcycle. I'm sure when Bharat sees this video, he's going to be super happy to see that his bike is up and running, ship shape, squeaky clean. It's just awesome. It's a fun motorcycle to ride. It's very nimble, It doesn't feel like you're riding a big sized motorcycle at all. Already at 100 on the flyover. Go get some gas at the Shell bunk here, and then decide whether to take it for a ride, or I actually have some work with respect to my helmet. I want to get my padding changed. We'll see. I'll take a call. V-Power 500. Good thing about this motorcycle is it comes with a center stand.
V-Power 500.
हाँ V-Power 500. हाँ. UPI. ನಿಮಿಷ. ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಚೆಲ್ಲಬಾರ್ದು, ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ತೆಗೀರಿ. ಆಯಿತು. I have the Shell app, guys. I'm just going to get my points added. I don't know if I'm ever going to use it, but ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. But I always make it a point to try and add up these points. I don't know when I'm going to use it, but yeah, at least for a free coffee sometime. Thank you. Alright guys, I'll make a couple of phone calls and then decide whether to take it for a ride or go and finish my work. I'll see you in just a bit. So guys, I decided not to go for a ride right away. I'm going to go have some work done on my helmet. I want to change the padding. Used it for a while and it's become a little loose. So I'm going to the SMK store. So I wear an SMK carbon fiber helmet. They say it's carbon fiber, but it's actually carbon fiber compound. We stand in the shade a little. So guys, on today's video I may not be taking it to the highway. I might just do a quick city spin. It will give me an opportunity to have an exclusive highway video as well. This just goes to say that when you have a big motorcycle, at least this motorcycle, you can not only ride on the highways, you don't necessarily only have to tour on it. It's a beautiful commuter motorcycle as well. It's very nimble, it's just musical to ride. It's nice to know that your friends trust you with their motorcycles and they entrust you with keeping the bike in good condition And because I love motorcycles too, I really don't mind taking care of it all the time. I mean, it's a motorcycle at the end of the day, it's got to keep running. I still have 11 seconds. 10, 9, 8. I hope nobody jumps the signal. Nope. Oh boy. This bike just flies. This bike just flies. But again, guys, I keep saying that it's so important not to get carried away, and it requires a certain amount of maturity to ride slightly higher powered motorcycles. Actually, it takes a lot of maturity just to ride any motorcycle, especially if you're doing it out of passion. So yeah, if you're in the market for an SMK, do hit up these guys, Autobots in Jayanagar. They are the guy who run the show. His name is Vikas. He's a damn sweet guy. Very passionate about the brand of helmet that he sells. Oh my god. So nice short city sprint today, to have the bike washed and to get some work done on my helmet. I will definitely take this bike to the highway sometime, and I'll make a video about that as well. It's just not going to be today. It's quite late. I've been out of the house for quite some time now. Guys, so I'm almost home, so I'm going to stop recording right now. Thank you so much for watching the video so far, and stay tuned to Scepter Pilot, and we'll try to test this motorcycle on the highway sometime. Adios guys.